Every trader has the same problem. Your risk is scattered across 5 different screens, margin here, position there, and then P&L in a report that you have to export by hand. I've been trading interactive brokers for a long time, and a few weeks ago, I started doing something different. I stopped opening Risk Navigator and started asking questions and talking to your portfolio. Now, this is what happens when you connect Claude directly to your IBKR account. No spreadsheets, no exports, just a conversation. Let me show you. So what exactly is this? It's actually an MCP connector. It's a model context protocol. It's basically a secure, authenticated bridge between Claude and your IBKR account. So you ask a question in plain English, it goes into Claude, and then it goes into the connector, and then it goes into your IBKR account, and it pulls back real live data, including position, margin, P&L, and hands you an answer. So no manual CSV exports, no copy pasting numbers into a spreadsheet. That's the whole pitch. Now, there's a lot of cool things you can do with this connector. You can actually build live Risk Navigator. You can ask questions. You can actually do a lot of things where not only just gives you a snapshot of what your account is doing, but you can also dive into details. So pretty much you are kind of talking to the report and pulling that information instead of manually looking for it. You're looking for that information by asking questions. Let me show you. Here I have Claude already loaded up, and I just want to give you a snapshot here. I've already kind of preloaded this, but you can actually start doing it on your own. Simply ask a question. Hey, IBKR, what's my account performance this month? So literally just gives you a performance here. It gives you a breakdown. Hey, this is where you started the month. This is where you are currently right now. And what's happening so far in the month. And it kind of gives you detail on your account. Now, this is where you can also build a dashboard. So I literally asked a question, hey, can you build me a dashboard? And it literally takes them like a minute or two, put everything together, and then boom, right here, it actually just built me a little dashboard here, which kind of goes over basic details of your account. And again, these are the things that we either are using an external trade journal, or we are building this looking at these reports, especially those IBKR reports, which are much in detail and sometimes hard to read. It actually giving you a little a snapshot by just creating this little dashboard, which you can do with this connector. So you can do performance analysis. Claude breaks down your realized and unrealized P&L across your portfolio across the board. And it can also give you information about what's your P&L so far for this year? What's for this month? What's your biggest gainer versus your biggest loser? So it kind of really gives you a good snapshot of overall the health of your portfolio and what's really going on as you get so busy with trading. Sometimes you don't have enough time to really break down the number. So based on what we just researched, it kind of gives me an idea. Hey, my biggest loss was the trade. It actually was a commission. Again, that's the key information, and it really allows you to focus on what's working and what's not working and where we need to pivot to get into more profitability. Now, the big question is why it matters. Again, if you're doing things a certain way, these new things are coming along, and we always ask the question like, do I really need this? Why does it matter? So this is where you actually can do this by looking at margin exposure, P&L seconds, and there's no learning curve because you're just asking things in plain English. There's no format to learn. It's just like all the other AI agents where you actually start asking questions, just like Google. This is a new way of searching. Now, visual, not the numbers. And that's what I really like about this. As you sit down and start reading those reports, you can sometimes get lost in the data and you don't really understand what's going on. So visual, and especially for those visual learners, this is a key thing. Now, early risk warning, so we can continue check over leverage. Sometimes you kind of get over leverage with your portfolio. So this is a good way to kind of keep those things in check. And again, always current. So live data every time. So these are not stale reports. This is not going back to a certain specific time period. It's actually pulling things in real time as of the day you're pulling the data. So you ask it like you are an analyst. And this is where everyone can be a little analyst of your own account. Give me a full snapshot of my IBKR account. You can ask questions like, how much margin am I using? Is there any position that I'm over concentrated? Build a dashboard 2025 versus 2026 to realize P&L by instrument. Or what's driving my commission costs this year? Because one thing we identified earlier, well, the breakdown was that, hey, it's not the loss, it's actually the commission that's costing you much. So this is where we can start to get more of the details and alert me if my exposure is more than 3 times of my net value of the account. So again, these are the very helpful things that you can do with this. So getting started, what do we do? First, do you connect? You open Claude, or if you're not familiar with Claude, first get your account set up at Claude and open Claude settings. Then what you do, you authorize. So you download the connector, then you log in, put your IB information in there, and then it connects to it. Once it's connected, you'll be able to see that the IBKR connector is connected. Once it's connected, you can start asking questions similar to what I just showed you earlier. So your portfolio is one conversation away. This is where I call talk to your portfolio. Connect Claude to your Interactive Brokerage account, turn account monitoring into a running conversation with an analyst who never sleeps. So that's the process. Go to the settings, connectors, look for Interactive Brokers, log in with the information, authorize it. And like I said, this is a read access. It's not making trades on your behalf. It is simply giving you information on what's going on in your account and breaking things down by numbers and also building cool dashboards. So take some time and play around with it. Thanks for watching.